Hi everybody, hope you are all fine. This is Atiq. I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. This is the most frequently asked section in my comments, that is whether NPTEL final exam is an online exam or offline exam. Okay, and I am going to clarify not only this doubt but there are many doubts related to this NPTEL final exam. So dear aspirants of NPTEL, watch this entire small video so that you will get each and everything cleared before appearing for the NPTEL final exam. Dear students or my dear aspirants of NPTEL, the first thing I want to clear to you is NPTEL exam is an online exam or a computer based online exam. Okay, it is a truly 100% online exam. Now if the NPTEL exam is an online exam, next question, sir, can we write the exam from our home? Whether it is possible to write NPTEL exam from anywhere? The answer is clear and cut no. My dear aspirants of NPTEL, you need to select an exam city at the time of exam registration. When you are registering for the NPTEL exam, you will be getting some options and you need to select some cities. Okay, the city which is nearby to your house or the native place you can select, and in that particular city they will allot you one center. In that center you need to go and write the exam in online mode only. The exam will not be in offline mode. First point I have cleared. The exam will be in online mode only, but you need to go and write the exam in the allotted center. Sir, which center they will allot? It depends on the nearby place which is free to your location. Okay. This is the second point. You need to write the NPTEL exam in the allotted center, and the center of the city you can select at the time of exam registration. NPTEL will give the choice to you. This is point number 2, that is exam center. You need to write the NPTEL exam in the allotted exam center. Okay. The next thing, the next point which I want to focus with all of you is whether the persons who are residing outside of India can also participate in NPTEL exam. Can they able to write the NPTEL exam from that place? The answer is no. NPTEL exam can be written only the people who are residing in India. This is also very important point. This question also has been asked by many of my viewers and subscribers that, sir, I am studying abroad, I am living abroad, I am an employee in a foreign country. Can I write NPTEL exam from that particular place? The answer is no. If you can register for the course, but you can't attempt for the NPTEL exam. If you won't attempt if you won't attempt the NPTEL exam, then you may not get certificate also. Simple answer. So my dear students, if the users who are residing only in India can able to participate and write the NPTEL exam in online mode. Okay, so only residents of India, only the residents of India can participate and write the NPTEL exam. This is point number 3. And the last point I want to clear about the NPTEL final exam is there will be no negative marking. There will be no negative marks in the NPTEL final exam. No matter how many answers you will attempt, okay, if your answer is wrong, your marks will not be reduced. This is so from the point NPTEL has launched their exams, from that point onwards they have not kept this negative marking. At present also there are no negative marks in the NPTEL exam. So my dear students, I believe that I have cleared these simple doubts which you have asked me in the comment section. If any types of further queries, you can simply put it in the comment section. And all the best for the NPTEL aspirants. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.